Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking prawn puree. Quite a popular starter, quite a heavy starter, so a lot of people kind of have it as a snack, or if they're not too hungry, you know, it's very filling to have as a starter. But like I said, some people have a starter, maybe a light main. It's really popular, one of our most popular starters. Very nice. I personally really like it. So you need a puree bread. Now I've done a video already how to make the puree bread, so I'm not going to show you on this video how to make it. Should be down in the description below. As well, there'll be the dough for the puree, all should be down below in the description. Click on it, make that, and then you'll be ready. Same with the prawn puree, you're going to need the base gravy, etc, which is all already on my channel. Just go down in the description below and make it. So let's get cooking. So your usual, sort of add about a teaspoon of oil. That's a very hot oil. So after I add my oil's quite hot, just about a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. You want it to brown a little bit, just get it a little bit cooked. So that's gone brown slightly. Then we've got these biryani onions, we call them. So just peppers and onions cut up. I've got a video on how to make these. You can search up if you really want it. But just cut up peppers and onions into little bits. Just going to add a bit more oil. Then I've got sort of like probably about a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. That will help caramelise the onions and peppers. We just want it to go soft, really. That's gone quite soft now. And then we've got about, I'll say about 2 to 3 teaspoons of tomato puree. And then what you want to do is you just want to lower the gas a bit. And then we have 1 teaspoon of our tsps spice, which is mixed powder, and we mix our own. So if you want the taste to be sort of exactly the way we do it, then you would need to purchase it from coriander.com. As a substitute, if you don't have mixed powder, you're not sure how to make our tsps spice powder, then you can just put curry powder in. Okay, so I'll turn the gas lower as soon as I put the spice. So I won't burn. Turn it low, just so it'll melt in with the onions. So I've just got a handful of prawns. These are Mr. Prawns, so the small prawns. And then I'm just putting it in there. And again, still on slow gas, because we want the spice to marinate into the prawns. If you feel like it's burning or something, you can add a bit of oil, a bit of water. If you've got too much oil already in there, a bit of water. And then just slowly let it marinate in there. And then when you bite the prawns, you get the flavour of the spices. And then our last but not least, we've got some base gravy. Not going to need too much, it's quite a dry starter. So literally I think we're going to need sort of 5 tablespoons of base gravy. Now you can put the heat up a little. You've got the base gravy there, so it's not going to stick. Now the prawns don't take too long to cook, so you've got to be careful. If you overcook it, it's going to be very rubbery. So we want the base gravy to warm up. And then I've got some coriander just to garnish it with. So if it's drying out too much and you think your prawns aren't cooked, add a little bit of base. It's fine. Add a little bit of base. But it's called a Bhuna Prawn Puree. So Bhuna just means like it's a lot drier, not as saucy. So that's done for me. And that's ready to go on our puree bread. We just add a lemon with it. The lemon goes quite well. And we just add for decor just some sliced cucumber and tomato. Just works a bit well. And then just garnish it with a little bit of coriander. So just, you've given it that little bit of colour with the salad and the coriander. Okay, so there you have it, guys. A Bhuna Prawn Puree.